So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. It's now going to reset the Microsoft Store cache. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Xbox. Now you want to click on app settings. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. It's now going to reset the Xbox application. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to go back onto the Xbox application, sign back into your account, and then see if that works for you. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find Xbox. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall the Xbox application. And now after you uninstall the Xbox application, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for Xbox. Click on it. Now you just want to re-download it again, and this should now fix your problem.